on Saturday, we go play Arsenal for FA Cup final. Make una no carry those boys joke. Them don't play 20 FA Cup finals, and them don't carry them 13 times. The last time we played those boys for finals, they could have beat the trophy go house. But this time, we go show them say, FA Cup not be their property. Hey! We go knock confusion enter their destiny. Hey! We go destroy their Europa Cup ambition. Hey! And finally, we go show them say, London color na blue. Hey! Pulisic,
Sir?
cause confusion for their defense.
Okay, sir.
And check if David Luiz dey say PK. If in dey say, buy 2 for us.
But Coach, what if na only one remain?
Buy the other one from Musti.
Okay, sir.
Giroud,
Sir?
use your head demolish their defense. Show them say, na mistake them make say you come Chelsea.
No problem, sir.
Gunnar!
Let's not survive!
Gunnar!
Let's not survive!
Nice one, boys. Nice one. We get Chelsea to play for FA Cup finals. People they talk say Chelsea go beat us for this finals. But what team they don't know be say, this trophy na our birthright. This trophy na our only hope to enter Europa. For them, this match na just one of those finals where them go just like to win. But for us, this trophy na our only ticket to go Europa. We must play this match with our last sweat and blood. Because for us, this fight na to the death!
But Kochi, I never enjoyed this life finish. I no go kill myself because of FA Cup.
You say what then?
Kochi, I don't talk my own. I cannot come and kill myself. Jesus! Kochi, woman!
Any other person? Oh yeah, Obama, start the marching song.
Okay, sir.
If we play well,
Trophy,
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 waiting for you. If you play bad,
No more trophy, no more trophy, no more trophy waiting for you.
Oga Sarri and Ole, una welcome.
Thank you, my beg.
Kobala, abeg do sharp I wan go shit. I don't know wetin mama yabo give me chop.
Okay, sir. Chelsea and Arsenal get FA Cup finals to play. Oga Ole, with their current form, who you think say go win?
This one na question. Forget say I hate Chelsea, but immediately them winners, I don't already know say na them go carry him.
Make I shit bikini bottom. I know say Arsenal defense dey very very shambolic, and that David Luiz sabi dash people PK. But something they tell me say that jazz where them carry win Man City and Liverpool go show face again. Plus that they are stubborn 2-in-1 goalkeeper when no grey Man City score even 1 goal. In short, if Chelsea win, I go shit SpongeBob join them. Just the watch.
If you left there, don't forget to like this video.
Them bond them where to forget. I beg you, make I go chop around where my guy keep for me, Joe.
No be you want get shit nene.
My brother, forget that thing. Person got stop lam now. You know say today na Salah.